my muha, a bemon penny for woman, ya pesa woman bedi Ghana, so a woman in an eye and quapra for, or your bar, where ya better what, Bema or bark or grado sopu, just on muti, woman may mean betos because they mean for penny and I white, and today be a say, I seen credit, or moon jump home to say, one more young capra for nanny or younger, ya quam bedi a quick cheddar. One no so den who be would am say, one no so person to Ghana sin and so see Ghana, ye Ghana ye kumase for a seven moon who poda, or be boama mo who pumo the most more jolly pumo, kumasi ni bank and also one poano. I send ya wouldn't never a bruchino, Nina no be manning in a trash shot today, a year a poor aqua to Ghana. Now when a year Shatta Wale. Or no so or ya interview ni episodes or no so and it's what who ben or what the ma ye Ghana or see uncle or no so uncle nya kwenya support e wo youthful ni ma anka nya kwam bedi akweche da ye no uncle no so obeje na hoodin anaso obekire na pomudin a wo de ma Ghana fo anase ne monde ma anase odo a wo de ma Ghana no sanka Ghana fo ma ne sa kwenya na uncle no so ba begina a kire Ghana say or no Shatta, or no so wide dream pa, ewo Ghana man. Yanko Wale home.
Everybody is living from equal life there. Yeah. You can't go and infringe on anybody's rights. Nippon Aquala crowd or good appear of Aquala na Ghana. Or bet me afraid police. Before I be you should bet me jail. So we have to try and learn how to come together. That's what I'm saying. My vision for this country and for the youth of Ghana is that let's learn how to come together and forget about Shatta say, so we can build this country ourselves. They say we are all involved. Nobody is out of this, and this is where we are from. If we start now, people like Doctor, people like some people I see on the internet can come together and say, no, we want to support. We need our people back home. Because if we are starting this and you people come and add your knowledge to it, this country will be a better place for all of us.
Shatta, really, very personal, but let me ask. The youth of Ghana, we are hopeless youth living in a hopeless land at the moment because of bad leadership. Now, have you heard about Cheddar? Jacob Freedom Caesar.
That is my friend.
He's your friend. Do you think from Wonsama Wokano, you got similar ideology as Cheddar? And do you think, say Sia Yetiho, na yekase Shatta kokoye contest the presidency? Would you be eager to be with Cheddar for a new force?
I will be, but on conditions, you know.
Thank you.
Let me tell you what I am seeing that Cheddar is doing that is not really motivating me. Cheddar is allowing the media to play with him.
Thank you.
I'll boldly tell him if he can stop that, you know, and start building a proper PR team, you know, PR team in terms of his communication team should know what they communicate out there. Cheddar is just going to radio stations and he's not giving them his stand that, hey, Mebaha, this is the headline I want you guys to put out. He doesn't have the experience I have with the media. That is his problem. But if he knows how the media manipulates, he wouldn't go on radio and the ever say, oh, Cheddar said the back. Reason I was seeing some latest interview that what qualifications do you have? He said he's been to SSS. You see all those things. These are agents to stop you from your dreams. But see, if Cheddar would want to build this, I've been telling people, he should have started this 15 years ago. Shatta Wale started fighting the system 20 years ago. And I will not stop. I will not stand down for anybody. If I had fans or people who can fund me to form a political party today, I will do it now. And we'll win those old men in the system hands down. and I'll find learned people. I will only be a president. But people around me, that's why we have parliament. People around me that have that mindset of, okay, for underground training in Ghana. Yenya say Ghana. Okay, yenya hospitals be brave. Okay, schools yenya say villages no your land be brave. Let's do this. Those are the people that I need around me to build the country. So Cheddar is trying to make us know that yes, he has this ambition, but his communication team is making him lose a lot with the ambitions he has. Because when people see such publications, there are great people in Ghana that will watch it and go like, what kind of speech is that? I hear what I'm saying. This system, look, I know Ghana, every corner of Ghana. Me to me, police for, me madam for, me no more race, or Ghana ha. Me Tvgh or Monama ko parking na so light. Me minima crack from Ghana to Tamale. I can drive. That you can chase me and you won't get me. So me minim Ghana pa. But someone, if you don't know Ghana and you know a sect, you will lose God. You might think that, oh, okay, no, let me go on. Because I see all these radio stations has been going to. Like, for instance, recently he went to Andy Dusty's program. Andy Dusty is not the type of person, Cheddar, you should sit to him and talk to him because your mind is bigger than Andy Dusty's program. After the program, you guys, I hope they spoke a lot. But what was the news out there? I feed my cows, I feed my lions with 3 cows a day.
Yeah, that's the news, trendy or just yes. To turn it, yeah.
And that is the game they play. And if you don't know them, recently I was watching him at Bula Race interview. Say onto Accra national anthem.
It was a dumb question, honestly.
That's what I'm saying. Cheddar doesn't know the system well and how they operate. Because the media is a means for you to teleport your things, like or to you for you to move your message hardly across. That is why recently I posted a video of His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. And that was an old video when he made a tweet to me on my birthday. He said after the tweet, he didn't know he would get thousands of followers following him. That's where he saw the powerful in social media. I have the video there. I was watching the video. I was like, if the president even knows that Shatta Wale has this power, that Ocho Shatta Wale was social media, he will have that following on social media, then that should tell you that I am abreast. Like, I know this place too much. I have this song that I say, but focus the songs are blazing. I have this, so I don't know when I remember saying, like, I know this area too much. Doc, what's your apocalypto?
Yeah, apocalypto.
So when they chased the guy from land normally called Montman Trinity,
not just say president, Obianya will be deal, Neso. Yentimi ye ni mu masa. Shatta say man no kwan. Wo no so obetimi aba abeboa Ghana. Ekwentwo makra.